Good morning students, welcome to online classes of PCHSS. In this session, we have learned about trigonometry and already you have know about trigonometry since you have read already in class 10. So in plus 2 first year, we read also trigonometry. First, we have to know what is trigonometry. Trigonometry is a combination of two Greek words. It is a combination of two Greek words, that is trignon and another is metron. What is the value? What is the meaning of trigonon? Trigonon means triangle, and metron means to measure. That means trigonometry means if we combine the trigonon means triangle and metron means two measures, then we find to measure a triangle. Finally, we learn trigonometry means to measure a triangle. As you know, a triangle having three sides and three angles. So first we have to discuss about what is angle. An angle. First we have to know what is angle. An angle, what is angle? Angle is a revolution. An angle is an amount of revolution in a plane, that is straight line revolves one position to another positions. It's called an angle. A straight line in a plane revolves one position to another position. It's called an angle. And angles are two types. That is positive angles and another is negative angle. Positive angles we can write in symbolically positive angle and another is negative angle. So there are two types of angle, that is positive angles and negative angle. Now we discuss about what is positive angles and what is negative angles. Positive angles means if an angle revolves one position to another position, in anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction, then we call positive angles. If a straight line in a plane revolves in clockwise direction, then it's called negative angles. Positive angles mean anti-clockwise direction. It revolves in anti-clockwise direction, then it is called positive angles. If it revolves in a plane, in the straight line of a plane, one position to another position in clockwise direction, then it is called negative angles. So these are the examples. We take some examples. Positive angles, you have already know 30 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree. These are the positive angles. And what is negative angles? Minus 30 degree, minus 90 degree, and various. So two types of angle, that is positive angles and negative angles. Now we discuss about, as you know, in class 10, trigonometry ratio. Trigonometry ratios. Symbolically you can write, or shortcutly you can say T ratios. In shortcut you can say T ratio or trigonometry ratio. What is trigonometry ratio? First we draw a right angle triangle. That is the ABC triangle, and angle B is 90 degree. So it is a right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle, there are three sides. This side is called base. So it is denoted by B, and it is a height, or we can say perpendicular. So it is denoted by P, and that is hypotenuse. So it is denoted by H. Now we have to find the relationship between three sides, P, B, H, or we can say base, perpendicular and hypotenuse. Now discuss about them. And what are the trigonometry ratio? As we know, in class 10 there are 6 ratios, that is sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. These are the 6 trigonometry ratios. Sin theta, what is the relationship between the sides of a right angle triangle? P by H, perpendicular by hypotenuse. Cos theta is the ratio of B by H, and tan theta is the ratio of T by P, and other 3 T ratios are inversely, you can say right is B by P, H by B, and cosec theta is H by P. Similarly, we have to know sin theta is the reciprocal of cosec theta, because sin theta is P by H and cosec theta is its reverse, so H by P. Similarly, cosec theta is related with sec theta, because cos theta is B by H and sec theta is its reciprocal, that is H by B, and tan theta is the P by B and cot theta is reciprocal. So these are the relations between them. So in these lessons we discuss trigonometry ratio. These are the 6 trigonometry ratios. Now next we have to discuss what is the relationship between, what is some elementary relationship between T ratio. Now next we learn some elementary relation. Now we discuss about the relationship between 6 T ratio. That means sin theta is equal to 1 by cos theta, because sin theta is the reciprocal of cosec theta, or you can say cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. So sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta. Similarly, we can write cosec theta is also reciprocal of sin theta. Similarly, cos theta is reciprocal of sec theta, and sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta, or we can write sin theta by cos theta, and cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta, or reciprocal of tan theta, or we can write cos theta by sin theta. So these are the 6 relationship between T ratio. Sin theta is equal to 1 by cos sec theta, cos sec theta is equal to 1 by sec. So cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta, sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Similarly, tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta, or sin theta by cos theta. Two formula have been tan theta, and cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta, and cos theta by sin theta. Now, some other formula, fundamental formula between these 6 T ratios. Now, there are 3 fundamental relations, or we can say formula. First is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. The first fundamental relation, we can say formula. In this formula, we found some sub formula. That means sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Then we can discuss sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. It is a sub formula, this fundamental formula. And similarly, we can say cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Similarly, sin theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta equal to 1 minus cos root over of 1 minus cos square theta, and cos theta is also 1 minus sin square theta. So, the main formula, in the main fundamental formula, we derive some sub formula. So, this is the first fundamental formula. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. In this formula, we derive some other 4 sub formula. Similarly, in the second category, we learn sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. In that way, similarly, we can expand, or we can derive similarly 4 formula. That means sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. And sec theta is equal to root over of 1 plus tan square theta. And tan theta is equal to sec square theta minus root over of sec square theta minus 1. So, there are, we write 2 fundamental relation, and another is, it is the third fundamental relation, and the third one is cos sec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. In this main formula, we can derive some other 4 sub formula. That means first is cos sec square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta, and second is cot square theta is equal to cos sec square theta minus 1, and third is cos sec theta is equal to root over of 1 plus cot square theta, and the fourth is cot theta is equal to cos sec square theta minus 1. So, these are the main fundamental formula. So, I hope you think, I think in this session you have understand clearly. Have a nice day. Thank you.